Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure your Chromebook is updated and has enough storage. This prevents install errors. Once done, open the Play Store and install CapCut or navigate to the web app if preferred. Make sure to enable Android apps in Settings and grant camera, mic, and storage permissions so media imports and exports work correctly. If you're using the web version, sign in to sync projects. Otherwise, set CapCut's default save location to local or Google Drive to keep files organized. Next, create a new project and pick the aspect ratio that matches your target platform, because that determines framing. Then import video, audio, and images from Google Drive or your Downloads folder. Make sure files are fully synced before dragging them to the timeline. You'll arrange clips, use split and trim for rough cuts, and adjust speed or reverse to shape pacing. Also add transitions between clips and layer audio on separate tracks. This helps you balance levels and prevents accidental overwrites as you refine the sequence. Finalize edits by applying filters, adding text, and using keyframes for smooth motion. You want to check timing and audio levels before export. Once satisfied, choose export settings that match delivery, resolution, bitrate, and file format, and save the final file to Google Drive or local storage to preserve space. If CapCut behaves poorly or crashes, clear the app cache, restart your Chromebook, and reinstall the app if needed. This fixes most Android app compatibility issues and ensures your next export completes cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.